Hi everybody, I'm standing in front of a partially frozen waterfall. Isn't this nice? Let's have a look. There's the water coming down. It's really, really cold. Oh, I wonder if I've got water on the lens. Probably. Sorry. Lots of icicles over here. Water dripping down all over. Ooh, it's cold. And then what I really like over here, past these broken icicles, is this field of ice stones. Look at this. They're like little stones. I think they're formed from the splashing water coming down. The whole field, they kind of sparkle like gems. I've never seen anything quite like that. Look over there, if you look at it, it kind of undulates as the water's flowing beneath it. Isn't that amazing? See there, kind of the water flowing below. Interesting stuff. I love it. All over the place, just like that. Frozen waterfall. Very cold. Take care, everybody. Or partially frozen waterfall.